Welcome to Farming with Rasta viewers and subscribers. As you can see, today we're doing at the planting farm. Yeah. And we just do here, I do some deflower. Yeah, we deflower planting. And me I go do a little session showing you how we deflower the planting them. But right after we done finish deflower the planting, we are going to take a little hike and a little trip, a little walk over to Brother Donovan farm and check on him cows them and his horses. Yeah, so we are gonna do that today. So I'll go ahead and show you how we deflower planting and make you get to see. Yeah, so right here so we have a planting. No nice bunch and we're gonna deflower it. I'm gonna deflower it, make you see how we do it and how we get your planting them to fit up more faster. Yeah, deflower it because you know when you deflower the planting it fit faster. Yeah, it give you a faster, more boost. Planting it fit more faster and it give you a more boost. So you will get your planting coming before a certain time. So we are go ahead and show you. So as you can see, we have them little on the planting. You have them little blocks up here because we call them flower. This is the planting flower. See them here? Yeah. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to pick them off. Pick them off. Yeah. We're going to pick off all of them. All of them we are going to pick off. We pick them off to fit up the plant so we get a more fatter plant, you know? Yeah. All of them little blocks up here. Plant flowers. Pick them off so you get a more fatter planting and a more bigger plant. Yeah, them come more huge. So right now, after we finish deflower this, in our next 2 months, can expect it to fit up and ready. So we can harvest it. Yeah. And take off a little piece of trash here. Yeah, so that's basically how we deflower plant. So as I said before, we're going to take a little trip over to Brother Donovan farm and make you see. Make my viewers them see the cows them and the horses them. We're on our way to visit Brother Donovan farm to check on his cows and just, you know, pass through and say hi to him. So right now we just dip on a little hike, viewers and subscribers. Yeah. So journey with it. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. So journey with it. As I show you how the place look. Yeah. Giving you a preview of how the place look. How Robins Bay St. Mary look. This is strictly behind the scenes, guys. I'm behind the scenes. You know, never before seen on camera. In Robins Bay St. Mary. The best view. Out there is another Bay town. Yeah. Never before seen, viewers and subscribers. So yeah, we're on our way to Brother Donovan farm to see his horses and see his cows. Right? Yeah. So this is a little road, but we normally take a road when we're down at fuel place, you know it go. Yeah. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. Right over here, so we have whole heap of land. Whole heap of land space. All of them land here are sell. Yeah. All of them land here, you see, are sell, viewers and subscribers. Nice sea view. Have a nice sea view out there. You can see another bay town. And see the sea. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. Only for all of this, I sell viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, place nice. Very beautiful. So yeah, we there from over here. I go check the man. Big man himself. Right here, so we have a house a build. I'm going to take a shortcut now. Go back on the main road. Yeah. Not to worry guys, not the main right here. Not to worry about taking shortcut. Very safe. Body in a village friendly. The shortcut here I go bring you out back on the main road. Today we're there on a hike. We're there on a little hike today. I travel to Brother Donovan farm. Yeah. So we're going to go on the Brother Donovan farm today. Go check on him cow them and look on him cow them. Yeah. So we already talk to him and make him know say we're going to come check on him cow them for you. We just live from who you know I walk go over the farm. I'm not much far from where me live, so you know distance not really that far. Yeah people. Welcome to your channel viewers and subscribers. You know farming with Rasta already. Yeah. Yeah people, so see one of Brother Donovan ask them. Yeah. See cow them over there so. Cow them over there so people. Yeah man. I have a whole heap of grass to eat. Plenty of grass to eat over there. And see Martha. This is Brother Donovan horse. Oh, horsey. Come on. So this is him farm, guys. Viewers and subscribers. This is him farm. So the next one I'm horsey. Yeah. There's a couple of acres. We call them over there, so viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man. Call them the people. My feed pan grass. Only heap of grass to them. So I walk go check him now. See if in there one. A good journey, but you know I go, I have to do what I have to do. Yeah. From bees box up viewers and subscribers. Yeah. And a van full of bees. Right now we are head back home. Cause we already check on the cows them. Just to give you a quick look. You know, because I'm not much far from the farm. Got link check him a while ago, but him not there home. So we're gonna check him a day. We're gonna check him a next day. Because him not there home. And give you a full tour of the farm. Yeah. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. So this is where we're at. Robbins Bay, St. Mary. And this is Brother Donovan. Over there is Brother Donovan house. Yeah. And his farm. And over here, see cow them here. This is the cow pasture. And see the cows them down there. Yeah. As you can see, it's a nice view. Nice view, I see view. Nice view of the sea. It's a wonderful little like viewers and subscribers. Very nice. Out there is another bay town. Yeah. So we're heading back up now, viewers and subscribers. So it's just a little hike, you know? Yeah. To show you guys what's going on another farm. Yeah. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. Wonderful view. Very, very wonderful view, viewers and subscribers. It's very nice. Yeah. So the cows them down there, viewers. And the horse. Yes, viewers and subscribers. So we're heading back up now, viewers and subscribers. Back to our farm, of course, where it all started. This video was just to show you guys what it's like on another farm. Yeah. Yes, and subscribers. This was just to show you guys our neighbor farm. So we're heading back up now, viewers and subscribers. Yeah. This is the entrance to the farm. Over there is our farm. So right now we are headed out back for the main viewers and subscribers. You know we go, head back home. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, so we're back from our farm now. Finally reached back. So right now we have got any video right here, so and call it a day. Remember to like, comment and subscribe if you like the video and if you like the little hike. Yeah. And keep watching Farming with Rasta. You know it go. Yeah. So right now we are gonna go back to deflowering and just go on easy.